everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So, for quite a few months, I had been reading a lot of positivity blogs and books. One point that was common in all of them was the power of gratitude. Every other book, every other blog was telling me how important gratitude is in order to have a happier and a more fulfilled life. There have been numerous studies around gratitude, and the main point is that gratitude is the key to have more happiness in life, at work and in relationship. Basically, when we focus on the present and we are grateful for what we have and who we are, we create more positive memories. So I wanted to try this for myself. So 2 months ago, actually a little more than 2 months ago, I started writing a gratitude journal. So every day I would write 10 points that I'm grateful for, 10 things or people that I am grateful for. And you really don't have to wait for that big promotion at work to be grateful for something in life. You can be grateful for something as simple as the food on your plate, or the water that you drink, or the air that you breathe. And I realized that when I started writing all those 10 points that I was grateful for, throughout the day I kept on searching for things or people or situations that I can be grateful for, because I knew that by the end of the day I would be writing about them. And there was this shift of focus from varied thoughts to searching for the positives in life. अब बुरे भी दिन होते थे. Let's suppose I'm having a shitty day at work, and even in that situation I would start searching for anything positive that I can grab out of that situation. So that is how a shitty day is no longer a shitty day. And this spike in positivity levels is something that I have experienced on my own. And this positivity has actually led me to feel more alive, happier, and have a better sleep. A Glassdoor study shows that more than 80% of employees say they are motivated to work even harder when their boss appreciates them. So I guess to feel better individually and as a person, appreciate people for what they bring to the table. Focus on who they are and not on who they are not. And I agree that it's easier said than done. I am personally still working on it. So how do we get it started? Just make it easy. Try thinking about 3 things, if not 10. Think about 3 things that you can be grateful for. Things, people, situations. And if possible, just write them down. And as I said, it can be something as basic as the food, the water, the wind, or the fact that you are alive. Make it a habit. Do it every single day, and over time, your view of the world and your life is going to change. This is for all the viewers out there. Comment down 3 things that you are grateful for today. It makes me really happy to read out all your comments. And I am personally very, very grateful for having you all as the viewers of this channel. I really hope you liked the video. And if my videos add any value to your lives, then please like, share and comment. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you soon. Goodbye. Take care.